we going? We are going to HTL, so my favorite shop I always go. What we doing today? We got the exhaust today! Woo! For the G-Wagon! Yup, this video is sponsored by Fi Exhaust. I got a full exhaust system from Fi yesterday. Okay, wow! That's crazy. I think this is the pipe on the side skirt, and this one actually goes to the motor. This is the exhaust. It does have actually a little muffler, but oh, it's a belt. I can tell. Oh, so I can drive by it too if I want to. But this is actually the black tips. It's gonna be on the car. When you see it right now, it's like a two round, like a chrome piece on the side, but it's gonna be like a 3-piece spare exhaust, which means it's gonna be sick. So this one's belt, right? Yeah. So it has a remote too?
No, you use OEM belt.
Really? Woo. All the pipe is out, huh? Oh, look at him, he looks sexy. Bro, it's doggy style, bro. The homo. Get all the 4 cats out. Installing the ECU after tuned by DME Tuning. Shout out to Stealthless, right? Yep. There we go. The valve is open now. That's it. Hold on tight. Damn, son. Right? Pretty quiet, yeah, right? Wow, that is quiet, right? Turn it on. Right? Yep. And Fi, thank you! DME, thank you! HTL, thank you! Stand up, thank you! This dude doesn't want to race, bro, leave him alone. Stop being a bully, bro. Wow. Why'd you buy a GTR? tips. Thank you very much, Fi Exhaust. Again, your product is awesome. The quality of the material was really good. And also shout out to HTL. Thanks for the quick installation. Also, thanks for the great tune, DME tuning, and the stance laps. So it was great. Yep. Everything was good, and I am probably going back to actually kind of adjust my tuning a little bit. I think I have a little more. I think I gained like 140 more horsepower and 210 more torque, which means it's already a lot, but they told me I have a little more room to actually go up if I want, which means I definitely do that. I also want to shoot some flames on the exhaust, so I'll probably make the bubble tint a little even more aggressive here. So yep, I will see you guys actually in next vlog. And look at this. Whew, I can see this. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah. Yep, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys next time.